Hey folks, it's 8:30 in the evening. It's been a long day, and as I said in a last video, I've just found some old videos on an old personal YouTube channel, and I just found a really old one from 4 years ago, back in 2014, of me filtering on a GS Adventure. Now this is before I actually had a GS Adventure, and I wasn't too sure whether I was going to buy one or not. I was really into my sports bike. I had a HP4 Carbon, 2013 model, and that's in this video you're about to watch as well, of me doing a filtering comparison. I'm trying to basically put down the GS Adventure, but the GS Adventure's an awesome bike. It's my favourite bike. I love the GS Adventure. But at the time I had a HP4 Carbon, not my kind of thing. Now I'm 6'4", so I'm very tall, so I kind of like roll myself up into a little ball to even ride it, although I did thoroughly enjoy it, and I'm going to post some videos as well of me riding my HP4 Carbon around Silverstone, because I used to do it like nearly every other week when I had a bit more time on my hands. So you're probably wondering why I'm sat at my piano. So, you know, not all bikers are just bikers. You know, I'm very musical as well. See if you can guess why I'm sat at my piano. Watch the video and notice the first half. Hope you enjoyed the video.